Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for another unboxing. Let's see what we have here today. This did come from the Amazon.co.uk website. Star Wars The Last Jedi 3D. So before I open it up, let me read a couple of the features: enhanced, high def, picture and sound, yada yada. Video is in 1080p high def, 16:9 with a ratio of 2.39 to 1. DTS HD 7.1 sound in English. Dolby Digital Plus 7.1 in French. Dolby Digital 5.1 in Hindi. Dolby 2.0 with audio described English. Subtitles English, Arabic, Danish, Dutch, Finnish, Greek, Norwegian, Swedish, French. And it is the same for the regular Blu-ray, and with a bonus apparently, it's 1080p HD with Dolby 2.0 English. Bonus materials may not contain subtitles or audio description. So a little bit of backstory to this. As I've said in the past videos, I own a 3D TV, so with Disney not producing 3D videos for the North American market, I have to go elsewhere. And on the Amazon.ca website, videos or Blu-rays like this are typically $55 to $60. In this case, I paid $33.85 Canadian off of the Amazon.co.uk website. So I highly recommend, again, to anyone who wants to get 3D versions of any of the videos, look on that website. You're likely going to want to purchase directly from there. The only issue with that is obviously my unboxings are going to be probably 2 weeks slower than the others if the Blu-rays are released at the same time in both Europe and North America. Let's get cracking this open. Worst cutting job ever. I always talked about being prepared prior, but apparently I can't even do that right. So let's start off with the spine. Typical British style. I don't understand why they would have Blu-ray 3 up top and then have the 3D logo down here. I think it's kind of silly. Try to get all this in so you can clearly see it. So rated for 12 years older and more. Let's take a look at each of these discs. Can't even take them out, let alone spin them. As we can also see down here, it's region free. So for my North American friends, you have nothing to worry about. And finally, the bonus disc. So from what I remember of the movie, I didn't mind it at all. I just thought that Luke Skywalker milking that alien was pretty messed up. But overall, it was a pretty good movie. I'll watch it in 3D sometime this week. And like every other Star Wars movie, I'm sure I'll have a great time with it. Again, one last time on the spine for you guys. And yeah, there it is. Star Wars The Last Jedi. We'll see you all next time.